x-axis, it's a x comma 0, just you find the x value, and that's a minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Here we go for the next problem. If 1 comma 2 4 comma y and x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So it is a parallelogram taken in an order, vertices a b c d, the same, it's given in the order, so directly we can write. We don't need to check with the graph. And we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so if you compare this side and this side, again we will obtain with the value x and y, and this side and this side, again we will obtain the value with x and y, right? So that will not work out. What is the another condition in the parallelogram? Diagonals bisect each other, right? If you draw a diagonal between these two, it will bisect each other. So it will bisect each other, diagonals bisect each other, right? So diagonal bisect each other in the parallelogram. Bisect means it's equal, it's cut into the equal part. This section and this section will be the equal. Then we will consider there's a ratio 1:1, right? Equal parts. So with the section formula, we can find this point, and it will be in the ratio x. Again, if we can compare these two are also bisect, again this will be in the y. We comparing the both, we will get a x and y axis. Right? So let me consider the midpoint of AC, because since the both are the same, right? Bisect means it is center, midpoint of AC, and midpoint formula is, we know that x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here finding the midpoint of AC, and x1 is a 1, so 1 plus x, so 1 plus x divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 is a 2, and 6, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So here become a 1 plus x by 2 comma 6 plus 2 is a 8 by 2 is a 4. So this is the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of BD also should be the same, right? After finding, we can equate. Midpoint of BD is also the same, 4 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. 4 plus 3 is a 7, it's a 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2, right? Both the midpoints are same, right? So therefore midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC is a 1 plus x by 2 comma 4 will be is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So this and this are equal, and this 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. So first we will equate these both. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So we'll take a 2 here. So 1 plus x is equal to 7 by 2 into 2, and 2 get cancelled. So 1 plus x is equal to 7. 1 you bring it with subtraction, so x is equal to 6. So that's the value of x, and the same for the y we can find. 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. If you do bring it to multiplication, 4 2s are 8. 8 is equal to y plus 5. If you 5 bring here to a subtraction, so 8 minus 5 is a 3. So 3 is equal to y. So y value is equal to 3. That's what we have to find. Find x and y. So here we go for the next problem. Find the coordinates of point A, where AB is diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. It is given AB is a diameter of the circle, and there will be a center point, and center is given whose center is a 2 comma minus 3, and the A value is not given, we have to find. So that's to find the coordinates of point A, and B is a 1 comma 4. So let me consider it as a x comma y. So we have to find the value of x and y. So it is given as a diameter and this is center point. Sure, it will be in the ratio 1:1, which means a midpoint, right? So the center is the midpoint for the diameter, right? So this point 2 comma minus 3 will be is equal to midpoint of AB. Clear? That's it. Then we can find 2 comma minus 3 is equal to midpoint of AB means x1 plus x2. That is x plus 1 by 2 comma here the y plus 4 by 2. Right? So 2 comma minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 comma 4 plus y by 3. So here we can compare this first two and we will get an x value, and next two we will get a y value. So x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. If you 2 bring here, it will become multiplication. So x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. And so the x value, if you 1 here, the subtraction, so x value is equal to 3. The same, and these two we can compare. So y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. If you take a 2 here, it will become a minus 3 into 2 is a minus 6. So y plus 4 is equal to minus 6. If you take a 4, that's it, it will become a minus 4. So minus 6 minus 4 is a minus 10. So y is equal to minus 10. So they required the point A is a point A is 3 comma minus 10. Right? Here we go for the next problem. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. So it is given that line segment is there and AB is minus 2 comma minus 2 and the B is 2 comma minus 4, and between the somewhere the point P is there. Find the coordinates of P, that only we have to find, and such that it is given AP in the ratio 3 by 7. So AP is in the ratio of a 3 by 7. 3 by 7 AB. So full length is the AB, right? So the BP, what is the BP? This is the BP, right? So BP we can represent AB minus AP, right? So BP we can write it as a AB minus AP. We know the AP value is a 3 by 7 AB. So which is equal to AB minus 3 by 7 AB. So taking a LCM, so it will become a 7 AB. 7 AB minus 3 AB by 7. So 7 minus 3 is a 4. Equal to 4 AB by 7, right? So AP is equal to, the ratio of the AP and BP is like an 3 by 7 of AB and it is a 4 by 7 ratios, right? So when the 7 sevens are common, it will be there and the ratios are 3:4. So these ratios are in the 3:4. This is a 3 part and this is in the 4 part. Clear? So then we can find the ratios, the midpoints, the section P of x comma y is equal to, this is the m1 and this is the m2. m1 into x2 is a 2. So 3 into 2 is a 6 minus m2 into x1, 4 into minus 2 is plus into minus 8 divided by m1 plus m2 is a 7, comma same m1 into y2 is a minus 4 into 3 is a minus 12 plus 4 into minus 2 is a minus 8 divided by 7, right? And 6 plus minus 8 is a minus 2 by 7, comma minus 12 plus minus 8 is a minus 20 by 7. So this is the required point. Clear? Thank you.